presenting our empty laundry room. And then after 2 weeks, yes, finally, happy wife here. Hello everyone, so we have finally managed to turn on the washing machine. Alright, this is very interesting, and we are dry cleaning right now, so we have to wait for 30 minutes there because we don't have washing machine yet and dry cleaner, so I have no choice but to go to self palibang. Have to wait for 30 minutes. Be right back. We're back. Ayan, pumunta kami ng CU. We ate something, and then, ayan, 1 minute na lang. 1 minute left. And we're good. Ayan. It's done. Ayan. Ayan. Yeah. Kone ba? Ayan, so pagkatapos namin, we went home immediately. And then after 2 weeks, yan, dumating na yung mga taga-LG company to set up our laundry machine. Finally, ayan. So, pinasok una yung washing machine. And, so, mga bata busy sa pagpatakata, and I'm busy sa kitchen. And ayan, they're double checking na na-install ito na mabuti. And it's balanced bago ilagay itong dryer. So, ayan. Kawawa talaga tong lalaking to. Hirap na hirap siya because it's very heavy. But, thank you so much. And, ayan, na-install na ang aking washing machine and dryer. Ayan, double checking. Kasi may, ata ito, it includes something in it, yung mga may freebies silang binigay, and ayun yung plastic na yan. So may freebies yan, tapos yung mga ibang gamit na kasali at kasama ng washing machine. So stay tuned and keep on watching kasi I will show to you yung plastic, yung laman ng plastic na yun. Alright, so here with me are this is the manual. So this is for free. And this is for the extra stand in case the washing machine won't fit. And what is this? It's a hook. I don't know what's that for. And remote. Wow, remote for what? For the dryer. So smart care. This is smart care, and timer, additional time, additional drying, stop the time, adjust the time, power, and start and pause. Wow. I really don't need to use this one, so let's just put it back inside, and that's all. Alright, so that very day ginamit ko yung washing machine and dryer, and it was really great. Ang galing, ang ganda, ang bango, and walang dust.